Resisting love so appalled, you thought I couldn't get at you. Oh, it's looking bleak, there's blood in the streets. Oh, a treat for the freaks, defeating the beast. Oh, it's been weeks, at least there's moments of peace. Oh, increase the heat. I wanna watch it burn. Burn. Come on, burn it down. Okay, burn. Burn. You with me? Burn it down. I wanna watch it burn. I don't back down from anyone. I don't back down from anything. Of all my foes, you a little one. The pressure at all is an easy thing. I know the reason you running from. You fear it the most, that 101. Bloody is sweeter than honey bun. If I was you, I would be terrified. Oh, it's looking bleak, there's blood in the streets. Oh, a treat for the freaks, they feeding the beast. Oh, it's been weeks, at least there's moments of peace. Oh, increase the heat. I wanna watch it burn.
It's been dark way too long in this place. That bright smile long gone been replaced. From ear to ear I see that fear in your face. Tell me when the last time you felt safe, cause there's some evil people in the streets. Evil at your front door, creeping while you sleep. It's time to raise up, show that evil we ain't weak. We don't turn the other cheek, I can show you how to be strong. Come on, follow me. Heard you looking for a hero. Well, look up. No more running from the bad guy. I'ma stare him in the eye like, what's up? I know the journey got hard for a minute, but I ain't giving this up. Yeah, I got the heart of a champion. If I get knocked down, I get back up. We go through bad days, hard times, low pay, high crime, pathways to a life without sunshine. I'm the lifeline. With this life, I'm gonna be the pipeline, shining in the nighttime. Bet on me to swoop down. I'ma go toe to toe. Already know that I'm never gonna back down. Bet on me to stand tall. I take on anything for my crew. Bet I risk it all. Wicked people in the streets. Corruption in the politics and the police. It's time to raise up. Take a stand against the seat. We won't take a back seat. I can show you how to be strong. Come on, follow me. Heard you looking for a hero. Well, look up. No more running from the bad guy. I'ma stare him in the eye like, what's up? I know the journey got hard for a minute, but I ain't giving this up. Yeah, I got the heart of a champion. If I get knocked down, I get back up. Get back up. Get back up.